Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Simran. I hate saying this, but I'm going to say it. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you can receive the notification every time I upload a new video. So guys, I have used this COSRX Nail Mucin Essence and Cream for almost a year, and from you guys I got to know about the Earth Rhythms Nail Mucin. And if I'm not wrong, then Earth Rhythm is the only Indian brand that have its nail mucin in their product category. And if you want to know which product to buy and what to expect from which product, then please go through this video without skipping. Like, if you seriously want to know what is the difference between these two and what to expect from them, then watch the entire video without skipping. Its cream has So guys, now coming to its ingredient cost, RX Snail Mucin Essence has 96% snail mucin, cream has 94% snail mucin, and this overnight gel has 70% snail mucin. So if you don't know what snail mucin is rich in glycoproteins, proteoglycans, copper peptides. So they have wound healing properties, hydrating properties, anti-aging properties, reparative properties. And this Earth Rhythm overnight gel has 70% snail mucin and aloe vera juice. So aloe vera juice has this good antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. If you have oily acne prone skin, then you may consider aloe vera juice because it has always helped me. But I know many people are allergic to aloe vera juice, so yeah, this product is not for you if you're allergic to. The consistency of the product, COSRX has this peculiar that slimy consistency which is in their essence, which is in their cream also. And this overnight gel of Earth Rhythm has this watery jelly type of consistency. Guys, initially when I bought this Earth Rhythm snail mucin, I was having this doubt that is it really a snail mucin, because जो इसकी consistency है, it's like watery jelly. And जितने भी मैंने COSRX के प्रोडक्ट यूज़ किए हैं in terms of the snail mucin, तो उनकी consistency एक बहुत ही peculiar consistency होती है. It is very slimy sort of consistency, and it has a no slime in it. It is not like that regular snail mucin that I was using earlier. And मैंने काफ़ी सर्च किया ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स ढूंढने का कि जिनमें 70% snail mucin हो, because I want to see their consistency. So I got to know about this product. This product also has the same consistency like Earth Rhythm, and it also does not have that slimy texture to it. It also has a very watery and jelly consistency. So I was like, okay, it has snail mucin. So I have tried COSRX Essence and Cream both, and both give you that moist feeling. You feel a glow into your skin when you apply this, but with the feeling with Earth Rhythm is quite opposite, because it gives you a little matte feeling. It gives you a little drying. I would not say drying, but I could feel my face getting little stretched. You get the same feeling when you apply freshly squeezed एलो वेरा जूस ऑन टू योर फेस. लाइक अगर आपके पास एलोवेरा प्लांट होगा और आपने उसमें से कभी एलोवेरा जेल निकाली होगी और आपने उसको फेस पे लगा के 5-10 मिनट छोड़ दिया होगा, तो एकदम से वो एलोवेरा जेल काफ़ी सूख जाती है और एकदम से आपको एक स्ट्रेच्ड फीलिंग आ, you feel smooth, and at the same time you feel there is a layer onto your skin of aloe vera. And the same feeling I got when I used this product, which to me was like, okay, because I'm not a fan of matte products, and it absorbs very fast and it gives you a matte feeling, and I'm actually not a fan of matte product. I love the products that are most on the moist side, and that are more on the hydration. But I really feel in summers it may help my oily acne prone skin to deal with the acne and to control the shininess and the oil and sebum production. So yeah, I'm looking forward to review it again after I finish using this product during my summer. The price point, COSRX Essence and Cream both are priced around 1400-1500 for 100 ml of product, and this I got at rupees 550 for 50 ml product. And it was a steal deal at that point of time, because there was 35% off on all the products at that point of time. If I exclude the discount, then it is around 850, so 100 ml will be like 1600-1700. So guys, this was the product that was not too good, neither did any bad for my skin. It was like, okay, okay, I have it, I'm using it. So guys, I'm using this COSRX Nail Essence and Cream for almost a year, and I'm using this Earth Rhythm for a month, and I think it would be too early to comment on its performance because COSRX has actually performed well. Guys, I really think that it would be very unfair to compare them both. And guys, I seriously believe that high concentration of product is not the key to good skin health. Consistency is the key. So you should buy the product which you are able to use for a consistent period of time, like for 1 year, as a soothing and healing gel, and this has to be applied at night as a last step. I don't understand why at night as a last step, because it has nothing that you cannot apply it during the daytime, and this you can apply it anytime. But guys, I apply it before moisturizer during daytime as well as night time, because you know, if I apply it as a last step, then I could really feel my face getting mattifying, and I could really feel my face getting little stretched, maybe because it's very wintry. And guys, I applied this as a moisturizer during summer. During winter I do not apply this. I actually use essence after applying my toner, because I really feel that works well during winter season. Do not forget to click like and subscribe, and if you do not like this video, then please let me know in the comment section what thing you do not like about this video. Okay, bye.